Delivery is broken. Portal fixes that. Amazon, FedEx, UPS, they all want drone delivery, but they need a system that works. Portal makes home delivery smarter, safer, and seamless.
The first home integrated system built for drone delivery. A secure structure designed to receive packages without theft or damage. Portal communicates with drones for a seamless drop-off. A reinforced system that cushions every delivery, eliminating impact damage.
Portal is built to last, with a steel and aluminum frame reinforced with continuous carbon fiber.
Its stainless steel hatch keeps packages secure until you're ready to retrieve them. It's weatherproof, energy efficient, and more secure. Welcome to the future of home delivery.